All right, good morning. We got stocks today. I wonder if anyone's going to be joining us. Market is open. I believe it is a half day today. Not that we'll get to see the end of it, but we'll get to see the beginning of it. Markets are pretty good. It's 0.61 on the futures. Appears that we are heading in the upward direction. So I like it. I'm a little zoomed out here on the NASDAQ, but if you take a look at this beautiful base the NASDAQ has, I can't complain about it at all. It looks amazing. So once again, damn it. Good morning, everybody. Half day today, and we'll see what happens. Market's going to open a little bit. Hold on a second. Try and do something else too. Is Gmail or my AOL account? Never know. All right, Mark. Ooh, Tesla 582. Damn, son. Space another 6%. Nice. NIO 2%. What is that for Tesla? That's only 1%. That's funny. All right, sell off. I'm expecting a correction from Tesla at some point in the reasonable future. I was thinking it was going to be 2 days ago. Now I think it's going to be today. So I'm expecting it. Trying not to get caught off guard. Because, hard to get caught off guard. All right, Space 4 Planetar up another 8%. They're doing something with like distributing the vaccine or some shit that I don't know, man. But this thing is just non-stop. Look at that gap. Jeez. That is aggressive. Came back gap fill overnight, and then maybe it's just gone. I can't really jump in on that, but a little difficult to jump in that high. Now 10%. Man, it's going for it. Jeez. Very aggressive. All right, let me look at something real quick. 12%. All right, Tesla back up. Interesting. Planetar 12.75. All right, coming down from 12 makes a little more sense. Tesla seems to be maintaining that 582, which is pretty cool. What's the other one I got? Oh, Moderna. Oh, damn, they're big too. Moderna up another 7%. Bams. All right, Moderna, obviously a vaccine maker, pulling out of a little base yesterday. Well, I guess that would, you know what I mean. Yesterday, and took a position yesterday. Hey, what's up, Ellie? And Moderna up another 7% today. NFE, Solo, FUV, some of these smaller automakers. How's your Thanksgiving, Ellie? And everybody else, how was your Thanksgiving? It's good. Am I staffed? Oh, with bird stuff? Actually, let me open my blinds. I'm probably getting eating a little bit. Just gotta turn the sprinklers on. I'm just turning the sprinklers on now. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but oh, stuffed. Yeah, I'm pretty well stuffed actually. It was, I'm a very picky eater. Unfortunately, I don't like that about myself. But man, I gotta say, I made the best turkey I've ever had. It was absolutely phenomenal. I don't have any other word to say it. It was just phenomenal. Yeah. Used my new pellet smoker. I found a recipe. So I shoved butter under the skin of the turkey. I brined the turkey only for a couple of hours because I forgot about brining. And then I just concocted this rub off of the ingredients from some rub online, and then yeah, it worked out really well. Freaking amazing. All right, NIO 2.75 Myrna NFE up here. Yeah, I recommend those pellet if you guys are looking for a grill, and man, those pellet smokers are next level. NIO 3%. Still, I don't know, man. I think NIO. Look at that. If you take away the fact it's up 8 quadrillion% this year, just this chart, just the way this is set up right here, and handling the distribution. Mwah. Oh, damn, Tesla 588. What? Motherfucker, what? What was that, 2.4%? Brilliant. Nice little gap, too, man. I'm expecting a pullback. It's just not happening. I'm expecting a pullback. Just ain't happening. That's with a quickness, man. Oh, hitting quadruple digits, Ellie. So close. So close. Measly 50% away. It's got to pull back, man. There's no way this is sustainable. Absolutely no way this is sustainable, although it looks sustainable. All right, NASDAQ 0.75. Planetar 15%. Myrna just under 7. XPEV up there too. Let's take a look at XPEV. Sorry, I'm managing birds and crap. XPEV, look, that's beautiful. I, I don't know what to say about that. XPEV, guys, that is like sustainable. Look at that. That is measured. That is almost an ascending base. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Some of these moves in the market right now. I don't know the last time we've had a theme just go this explosive. I mean, I could probably try to start naming off themes, but this EV one is a complete transformation of the whole automotive sector, and it looks like these institutions just are like, oh yeah, I guess we should do something about that, and then are just starting to buy it this year. It's crazy. 589 for Tesla. All right, Plantar Myrna. What else? What else is moving? What's new? Oh yeah, the Bitcoin stuff taking a shit because Bitcoin took a shit over the weekend. Weekend, it was one day. Riot blockchain down 10%. What up, Rob? Happy Thanksgiving, man. Going to mountains with your brother to cut some firewood. Oh, that's cool. It's nice you have people, Rob. It's nice you have people. Roku, Peloton, LPLA, Silver down. Silver down? Why is silver down? Did we stop printing money? Guys, we stopped printing money. Look at that. Go back to the top. Screw the bottom. Screw the bottom. Andrew! Did you show up yesterday, Andrew? Did you like, where's everybody at? Mine was great. My Thanksgiving was really good. The best part about it, my mother-in-law never opened her fucking racist mouth once. No, not my mother-in-law. I'm sorry. She's awesome. My My brother's mother-in-law. Anyway, that's enough I'll say about that. I think she was intended. We got into a huge yelling match last year. Although it was more like it was a debate, but it feels like a yelling match. Touche, Ellie. Touche. She ain't watching. Nobody I know's ever seen my show. My wife barely even knows what I do. She's like, "What are you doing there all day?" I'm like, "Don't haven't you been here?" All right, space 4%. Dude, I'm all over this XPEV chart. I'm really liking this XPEV chart. Oh, was that other chart that was doing good? Um, how's UAL doing? Damn, UAL's up, son. 2.13%. All right. I still have my UAL. That's bueno. Go UAL. I'll take it. Yeah, Andrew? Well, you've seen nothing yet, my friend, because it's going to keep going. I'm telling this thing's at least going to 750. I think it's going to 9. Andrew, did you see my Tesla video? I actually made a static video on Tesla. Oh, okay. So what do you think about 900? It was very good. Thank you. Yeah, so that's called a model stock. IBD uses them extensively, and we call them fractals in crypto. But you're essentially taking a stock that has a very similar chart pattern, and you're applying it to your current situation. I think the reason that works is due to the fact that humans are repeat machines, and when you just have massive accumulation, these chart patterns form over and over again, so you can just kind of get a feel for what's going to happen. I mean, it may stop well short of the double. I mean, you never know exactly how these things are going to play out. But by using those model book stocks, I mean, you're really able to have some confidence in my opinion, much bigger trades. I mean, and look at that move in Tesla. I mean, it takes some confidence to pull that shit out. I mean, I'm just going to be honest with you. I've taken a lot of trades, and I was talking to Ellie about this the other day. I'm like, man, I honestly, I've traded Tesla so well, not perfect. I can think of two mistakes. Um, and I could have made other actions that were better, obviously, but two mistakes. But to to have the confidence for 900 down here at 400, and we're already at 600 like 2 weeks later, it takes a lot of confidence to jump in trades like that. And that model book really just gave me a ton of. I was looking for it too. I was looking. I think I told you in the video. I was looking for a model book stock for Tesla. I'm like, there's got to be something like Tesla that's happened in the past, and I didn't find it. And then I was doing another video for my Pi Method course, and then I found it, and I was ecstatic. And took like half the trade very early, and then on confirmation, which was the S&P 500, I took the other half of the trade. Yeah, Andrew, that's exactly right. That's exactly right. It wasn't just the pattern; it was also the fact that they're both. I mean, they're both early in their cycles as car manufacturers, and yeah, they just thought of as computer makers, but then they ended up being more than just computer makers, and now computers are a small part of their business, and it's probably going to be very similar to Tesla. That's exactly right, Andrew. So, yeah, aren't you glad I made you sell your fucking IBM? I love it. You did sell that, right? I just want to be clear. You sold that and bought Tesla. Let's see what IBM's doing, by the way. Let's go check them out. Huh. Oh, okay. Not up many hundreds of percent. Okay. Interesting. 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 So anyway, yeah, I mean, in all honesty, I didn't think that it would run this far this fast, but the fact that it is, I'm like, man, I wish I would have bought a shorter strike price. I got my shit out till like July. Oh, beautiful. 496. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Yeah, you're already up basically 20% on that. So that's good. Excellent. And going for it, guys. Boom! Come on, account. Ooh, so close to another new threshold, new large threshold. New large threshold. 29 shares. Dude, Andrew, that's amazing. Just keep, brother, just keep stacking. Just sell everything you have and buy this fucking stock. I almost wanted to. Oh, yeah, almost wanted to do that. Yeah, I mean, these are some unreal runs. Ooh, Planetar's come down. Finally. Myrna, 12%, y'all. Myrna. Myrna's getting there. Oh my goodness, this thing's going to hit my measured move super quick. Where's my measured move on this thing? No, I don't, Andrew. No, I don't know what you mean. Well, that 10K could be 25, 30K. Well, actually, no, you're doing stock, so it'd be 60 to 90, so it'd be another 5K. It's not. It's good. It's not that good though. All right, so I'm at one. I got a 140. Looks like a 142 or something for Myrna. Yeah, I'm a fan of emergency funds. I'm not getting on your shit too much. Um, I do like emergency funds, but yeah, 141 is my target on Myrna. Um, no, yeah, we actually took ours and invested it because I'm like, what emergency am I gonna have that needs $10,000 a meet? Because that was the size of our emergency fund too, is 10 grand. I'm like, what emergency do we need that today will need $10,000 in cash? Like I couldn't think of one. I couldn't think of one. So I'm like, look, I can get money out in a minimum, well, probably maximum of 3 days, just with bank transfers and stuff. I'm like, 3 days is probably enough. I could get money out in 3 days if I need to. And I actively watch the markets. I think the reason they say not to invest your emergency fund, and I'm not trying to talk you into it, but this is just my thought on the whole thing. But overnight, Andrew, like, are your bills $10,000 a day in cash to some dude at your front door? No, everyone's waiting for their money. It's like 30 days out. I mean, if you're breaking your car, the mechanic's going to bill you in the back end most likely. And that if it's that bad where you need like $8,000 in mechanical work, it'll be transmission, which they may not have in stock anyways, or an engine, which they'll have to order. So you may have to pay part of that, but call in 2 days sick from work and you're good to go. Anyway, I'm not trying to talk you into spending your emergency fund, but that was my thought. That was my thought. That's all. Sell H. All right. Sell H not looking bad. We didn't extend up, which is fine. We came back and consolidated a little more. All right, not too bad. Tesla 3.5 now. Beautiful. You. Wait, that's not you. Come on, you. Yes. Uh, I had every position. I've had every position in every stock that I wanted, and I've sold out of most of them because weird stuff. But anywho, I liked you down here about 40% ago. Yeah, we discussed it in the base. I just didn't have enough patience. 10K in 2040. Ooh, I don't know, Andrew. That's a big number, man. That's a big number. So right now so pre-split we split 5 for 1, right? And at 500 we would be at $2,500 Tesla. With another 25% we would be at 2750, right? Pre-split maybe 10K. I don't know about now. 10K right now. Finally some selling pressure. 10K right now seems like a lot. So it has, okay, basically has a billion shares outstanding. Oh, they've issued a lot more shares. They retained a bunch of shares too. Institutional ownership has skyrocketed. I think it was do they have graphs of institutional ownership? Someone's got to have it. Huh. Institutional ownership. There we go. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Okay. Let's look at Tesla. If I remember right, three severe warning signs with Tesla. Get the fuck out of here, man. Um Where's my institutional? Geez, this thing has a bunch of stuff on it. What is this? Guru Focus? Guru Focus? Interactive dividend, basket definitions, Guru trades, number of Guru sells. Stupid. That is a concern, Ellie. So I just bought some more. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous. Ken Fisher, Ron Barron. Okay, no, I want frickin' institutional ownership. Stock, Tesla ownership. Dude, Andrew's amazing, man. Absolutely amazing. What? Tesla ownership. It's got to be. I think it's got to be capitalized. Made the best turkey. Where's I don't get ownership? Oh, there it is. Um, and so it's gone from 40 to almost 50. See, they still have to buy the crap out of this thing. 430.18. Here's 2019. They must only do it quarterly because last we have is 930. Must just be quarterly. So anyway, there's institutional investors trying to do good. Net, Ellie, it's net. Net's going, Ellie. Never had turkey. Actually, you know what? Turkey sucks. Freaking turkey is freaking annoying. It's most people cook it and it's dry. It's pretty bland, and there's nothing that you like about turkey. The turkey that I made will make you want to eat freaking turkey. It is juicy. It has some flavor to it, although I really couldn't tell you exactly what it tastes like. Kind of tastes a little like chicken, but like a smoky, good chicken way. Yeah, just really good stuff. Man, these birds this morning are. I've had to turn my sprinklers on about 5 times. I try to keep this up on my knee here. All right, you. Planetar back up 11, Myrna 10, Soxel, BLFS, FUV, SLH, Net. Net looks really good. You can't buy Net. You have to buy Net, Ellie. I can't buy it either. No money. Marinated lamb cutlets, chicken wings, and octopus. Got it with Greek tzatziki and pita bread. Interesting. I got 2K left. I could do something with that. Although I don't know, like, really what I could do with that. This would have to run up immediately for me to get any kind of juice out of it. You're Greek, Andrew? Oh, okay. Cool, cool. All right. EXPI looking good too. Held in that support. Looks like we broke that inverted or that head and shoulders pattern thing. Should be doing really good. Test of 3.5. Excuse me. Man, that is Myrna has a ton of volume for an after Thanksgiving. Usually Thanksgiving and Christmas are some of the. If you ever look at a chart and there's like two major low spikes in volume, it's Christmas and Thanksgiving, and maybe Fourth of July. That must be Labor Day or something. Um, so yeah, I mean the fact that Moderna has this much volume today, already at average volume, is pretty good. Almost at average volume, pretty good. There's XPEV. All right, not doing so hot, but still holding very very nicely. What was that other one that was doing good? But I think I have a little bit of it. Is it Very Fine Foods? Yeah, it is Very Fine Foods. There it is. Cool. How's that doing? Not bad. Looks like a big cup and handle. All right, Andrew. Hey, thanks for checking in, bud. I think my grass is actually starting to fill in a little bit. Sounds weird. Nah, it's okay, Andrew. We don't hate you. We're just messing with you. Enjoy the rest of your sleep. Psh, sleep. I gotta say, very fortunate to be in the U.S. so I can sleep. News on stimulus? I don't know. I'm I'm like so done with news. I'm completely done with the whole political thing ever since the election was basically called for Biden. I've completely checked out and my life has improved tenfold. I'm just freaking it's horrible. Wait, what the hell's going on there? Front yard seating, lawn seating two. Somehow my backyard sprinklers went off. I have no idea how. Import Chinese sleep. Yeah, but that's less quality sleep, Ellie. I mean, it's just less quality. All right, how do I check the stupid programs? Huh, weird. Yeah, it's not coming in. All right, PLL. Ellie, not too bad, buddy. It's taking a sweet ass time before it's doing something, but it's at least moving in the right direction. Market's pretty happy at 0.75%. We've pretty much been hanging around here most of the day. Net up 5. Bam, son. I don't know, maybe we're going to go parabolic on net. Keep having increasing trend lines here. I could draw another one. D-Dogs. Check out UAL again. 1.6%. So we stagnated a little bit, but we are trying to escape up, which is bueno. Pretty good. Go check out the global watch list. So fun. So fun. Looking pretty fun. Etsy. Ooh, Etsy looks pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, Apple and ooh, CRISPR. Look at that. Look at CRISPR popping off. Dude, I heard some awesome stuff about CRISPR basically being programmed to go in and just murder cancer cells. I'm like, that's a great use for CRISPR. Why are you trying to edit genes to kill things? Just have CRISPR go in and murder things. It's brilliant. But yeah, so CRISPR almost looks like a cup and handle breakout. Yeah, CRISPR looking pretty good. Not a tremendous amount of volume today, but excellent, excellent action lately. BLFS long-term turnaround breakout, very consistent, especially on the 50-day there. Stitch Fix new high, Soxel new high, MED up there, Carvana. Well, I think it won't. Well, they know what they're doing. They're I can see the trials. They're going, all right, guys, this is working great. Let's put it into Ellie, and it starts killing Ellie. They're like, oh, we never thought they could kill other things. I think they thought of that. Pretty sure they thought of that. Yeah, no, I do think you're right. I think they would have to know the biopsy. They get the genetic makeup of the disease. They would program it, and then they would shove it back in your body. I think that makes perfect sense. I think that's an amazing way to do it. And I mean, the way that think about how fast CRISPR's been developed. It's is in terms of the technology for what it can do, quite amazing. If I remember right, I didn't hear about it, and then they knew it and were working with it and were already doing stuff with it. And I was like, whoa, that happened almost well for me overnight. Yeah, some, not all. Just like people say traders, are dodgy and dangerous, but some, not all. So it is a 20 years overnight success. Sounds good. Yeah, but whatever it was, I just remember going, wow, all of a sudden they're doing all this stuff, and now, anyway, I think it's a good way to attack the cancer. VFF 3.8. I sold my VFF the other day. I sold it. Looks like I could potentially jump back in. It's looking excellent, but I'll take my money and run. Take my money and run. But VFF does look very good. I got zero issues with the VFF here. If you're like a long-term holder or something. All right, 0.85 for the Nasdaq. Tesla's up almost 4% right now. My goodness, man. This is just non-stop buying pressure for Tesla. So zero point 0.5 institutions own half of this thing. They're gonna. I wonder what Apple's institutional ownership. I always guess this wrong, so I'm not even gonna try. So we have institutional ownership at 42% for Tesla. Let's look at Apple. Okay, only 59%. Who has the biggest institutional ownership? Someone's got. I swear to God, I've seen institutional ownership like way up there. I'm not sure if they actually rank that like this. Let's find out. Oh, ownership, insider, institutional. They're 89% for A. Is that Alcoa? Allegiant Technology. So I mean, institutions. Oh wow, three of them 100% owned. Jeez. Jones LaSalle, Forward Air, and then market cap 32 billion. So yeah, I mean those institutions can own a crap ton. I'm not sure. Yeah, see, they're only going to be able to own so much with Tesla, but they've still got to buy. The font's way too big. That font's way too small. That font looks just right. Drink stuff and hope it will find a way to organs that need it, while killing everything else in a result. Yeah, yeah, sounds about right. All right, so right blockchain. Yeah, right blockchain down a bunch. I think the pullback in Bitcoin's temporary. We'll see how temporary, but I think it's temporary. Amarin. All right, Myrna leading our list today. Not quite the high of its day, but still holding up there is really good. Planetar come down a little bit. FLGT back in the base, not very good. PLL selling off a little bit. VLFS, Genus. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta do crypto in a little bit. I'm gonna bounce. So, man, I did not expect this type of a bullish open of the market, and I'll take it. I'll take it, man. I think 2021 is gonna be a blockbuster year. I gotta say, you guys should be aiming to do spectacularly in the next year. Right now, I see really nothing blocking the way. We got vaccines coming up. I mean, things are just hopefully just going to get better and better. Probably going to print a bunch more money, which will be good. We'll see. I know that's why it's great, Ellie. They're all fucking retarded. Like you said, I get 10 people on my show and we're making, excellent money, and all these other stupid people get a million views and aren't doing shit. So, 'tis what it is, my friend. Hey, man, from this side of the... Dude, isn't it cool from this side of that article to be able to look at it and go, these people are idiots. And then just go and make a killing. All right, guys, take it easy. Glad you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I'll see you... Wait a minute. Today's Friday. I'll see you on Monday. See you guys Monday. Bye.